This Kangaroobands buffing and polishing kit combines three professional-grade 3M Perfect It liquids to take paint from heavily corrected to a deep, glossy finish at home or in a shop. The rubbing compound cuts through fine sanding marks and light defects on modern clear coats while staying workable for a long time, even in hot and humid conditions. The dedicated machine polish is excellent at clearing up compound haze and swirl marks, leaving a noticeably smoother, more uniform surface with less effort. The ultrafine polish is especially impressive on dark paint colors, where it removes those last faint micro swirls and brings out a crisp mirror-like reflection. All three liquids are designed to stay on the pad instead of flinging everywhere, which means less wasted product and faster cleanup around the work area. The included Kangaroobands microfiber cloth is thick, soft, and lint-free, making it ideal for safely wiping away residue without introducing new scratches.